Hello, loves. Today I am tackling an organization dilemma that I've been having for 8 years now. This small cabinet space is all I have in my master bathroom for storing linens, bath products, and personal items for me and my husband. We are looking in the future to add more cabinetry for a linen closet for the master suite. But until then, this is all we have to work with. If you're facing with this dilemma, stay tuned for some tips and ideas how to organize a small bath cabinet like this one. Let's get started. This cabinet is located in the water closet that's right outside the master bathroom. Some call this a toilet closet, but you get my meaning. Over the toilet area are 2 shelves and a decent-sized 2-shelf cabinet with doors. This is what I will be transforming into a luxury bathroom storage area for my linens, bath products, and personal overstock items for myself and my husband. I know it sounds like an impossible dream, but I will share with you some ideas and tips to make this happen. Okay guys, I hope you can see this because this is like a crazy angle for me to get in here so you can see the complete cabinet area. This is what it looks like when it's empty. It's a pretty good space actually to hold linens or personal items. So that's what we're going to do here. This is a great idea if you have a space like this, that you have a very small bathroom and you don't have a linen closet or a medicine cabinet or anything like that in the small bathroom, but they have a cabinet over the toilet that can be used as storage space for those items. So the first thing I am going to do, I'm assessing the space to see what kind of space I have and what kind of cabinet, what kind of containers I can use by shopping my home. I'm thinking baskets will work well here in this kind of space, or something along the lines of a small plastic container or bin that can house different items inside. So let's get started. Here are a few things I found in my attic that I can use for storage in the cabinets. Let's take a look at what I found by shopping at home. This is a no-cost organization project. Now here's a nice little basket. If you like that country or farmhouse look, this is perfect. It has a metal label right here where you can place your label. It also has a nice lining to finish it off. You can unsnap this and take the lining out. And you can easily roll up towels in here or put some of your personal bottles and bath products in here. I haven't used this. It's still new. Still have the tag on it. It's by Better Homes, but I couldn't tell you if it's still available or not, or where I purchased it from, because I had this for about 7 years or so. So this makes a great basket or bin to put up in a cabinet or on those shelves because it fits it perfectly, and it is a great look. It's black and white, and it has that farmhouse country look. Here's another basket that's a little bit more on the modern side. It's a nice chrome basket. It can easily stack if you have more than one. I like the opening here that's kind of low. You can easily reach in and put things in and out of it. It's a nice high basket that you can easily put bottles, tall bottles in. You can either put rolled up washcloths or towels in here because you can easily reach in and grab it. The next item is by iDesign. This is a clear acrylic bin. I love these. I purchased a lot of these for my refrigerator for organization, which will be coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. The size is 8 by 5 by 10. It's 8 inches wide, 10 inches long, and 5 inches high. Perfect size for the shelf that I have in the cabinet. I like it because it's acrylic. It has that modern look to it. And I also like it because you can fit a nice size jars in here, like beautiful jars that's decorated with your bath salts or your bath bombs in here, because it's see-through and you can see all those beautiful items that's placed in here. So this make a good choice. This is another choice. It's not that very expensive. You can purchase these at Target, Walmart, Dollar Tree. They're all over the place. There are these cubicle bins that a lot of people use inside those shelves with the cubes. I love using these in my laundry room, in a cabinet, and in my pantry. So I know they would fit the cabinet in the bathroom. They're by 10 inches by 10 and 12 inches high, but I'm thinking what I'm going to do is modify it. I love those collapsible linen bins that they have at Walmart and on Amazon. So I'm thinking I'm going to DIY this and change it into something that's a little bit more custom looking and a little bit more pretty, I should say, that it would fit my style in the bathroom. So next we have different containers that I would like to use inside of my cabinet, and that's these beautiful liquor bottle containers. We have them in different sizes here. We have round ones with a big huge top, and then we have a flat top here. These will be gorgeous used as bath oils in different shades or different fragrances, and I'm thinking about using these as bath oil containers. This one here is an apothecary jar. We can use these for all kinds of things that I have done in this home, but I have a lot of these, and I'm thinking about storing some bath salts in here with a nice pretty scoop, something like that inside of here. And this makes a good container because it's wide inside of here, and you can easily use a scoop to scoop out whatever you need and then put the top back. So these striped linen closet storage units are quite popular. I've seen a lot of creators on YouTube use these in their tour. The problem is they're a bit too big for my shelving unit. These are 15 inches in depth and 12 inches high and 13 inches wide. The width and the height was fine. It's just that the depth was too big. I needed something like 10¼ inches deep. These are found on Amazon, and they're $27.99 a piece. So they can be quite expensive if you want to do the whole shelving unit in your linen closet for these. And they will look quite beautiful actually. But like I said, they can be quite expensive. So I decided to DIY my own, and I will show you how I did it. So here's a finished DIY of the linen bin that I did using an old storage cubicle bin that you could get at Dollar Tree, Walmart, or any store like that. I just basically cut it down to size, add ribbon and a label, and there you have it. A nice little bin that looks just like the one that was in Amazon but cost me no money. If you're interested, let me show you how I did it. So basically all you need is one of these cubicle bins. This is a very, very old one that I had. And I have lots of these because I love them and I use them in all my cabinets for storage. So you want to remove the bottom piece, which is this sturdy cardboard that's in the bottom of it, and it collapses, and that makes it easy to store. And then I created a template out of some chipboard, the size I needed for the side pieces and the front. And I just basically place the template on the side of the cubicle, and right here where you see where it bends to fold, that's my middle. So I made sure that the middle point is right here of the two lines that meets together. That's where you want your middle point. So you want to make sure that your cuts are nice and straight. You want this to be very, very neat. So when you place your ribbon or what kind of trim that you want, your cording or some kind of diamond wrap or anything like that, you want to make sure there's no raggedy edges. And there you have it. Quite nice. Now what you need to do also is right here in this cloth here, that kind of pulls away from the chipboard. So you want to go in here and get you some double-sided tape and tape that down from the inside and in the outside. The very top of the cabinet are empty jars for future DIY bath products I store up there. I make bath salts, body creams, and bath tea bags for myself and family and friends. Inside the cabinet at the very top shelf is where I store all of my overstock items. I like to keep this shelf stocked, and I have an area for all of my personal hygiene products, bath and body products, and even a place for toilet paper, all on one shelf. Now the items on the second shelf are all new products. These are brand new, that's not open. And everything is corralled in these gorgeous DIY linen bins. I love the way these turned out. They are gorgeous. The bin stores all of my new hair products and miscellaneous items such as sunscreen and female products. In Randy's bin, they store all of his new shaving product items and his face hair clippers. Now all the items that we use on a daily basis that we open, those items are stored under the sink in the master bathroom. The last two shelves under the cabinet are for towels, sheets, and bath spot storage. The first shelf are towels and bath salts. The towels I had for a while. I purchased from Amazon last year. I only keep 2 sets of towels on reserve while we use the second set. This keeps down the clutter and storage space. The bath salts are a DIY and I put them inside an apothecary jar. I also decorated the jar with a black and white striped ribbon that gives it a cohesive look with the black linen bins. The second and last shelf is reserved for my bath spa products and bed sheets. I add some florals to give some softness to the space and another decorative accent. The white platter used for my bath spa adds another white accent to the shelf. The glass container adds an elegance to the space that have my body creams, bath spas, elixirs, and bath oils. Next to the platters is a set of sheets for the master bedroom bath. I keep 2 sets, one on reserve and another one is used on the bed. Well, that's it, loves. What do you think? I believe I accomplished everything I needed in this bathroom linen cabinet. The DIY bins give the space an elegant look, along with the glass and white accents that adds a pop to create a luxurious small space for my linens. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.